In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change USD to ZAR on Metatrader 5. First, an important note. In Metatrader 5, the account's base currency is set by your broker when the account is created. If your account was opened in USD, MT5 will display your balance, equity, margin, deposits, and profit and loss in USD. There isn't a switch inside the platform to convert that base currency to ZAR. With that in mind, here are the practical ways to work in South African Rand. The most common solution is to open a new trading account that uses ZAR as the base currency. You'll do this in your broker's client area, not inside MT5. Sign in to your broker portal, look for the option to open a new trading account, and choose Metatrader 5 as the platform. When you're asked for the account currency, select ZAR, finalize the creation, and you'll receive the new login details. Back in MT5, open the login window, enter the new account credentials, and you'll see your balances and all account metrics displayed in Rand. Many brokers let you hold multiple accounts at once, so you can keep your existing USD account and a new ZAR account side by side. If you fund the ZAR account, you avoid ongoing conversion each time you trade or withdraw in Rand. If you already have funds in your USD account and prefer not to manage two accounts, contact your broker's support team. Some brokers may offer internal transfers or guided currency conversion. However, many do not allow changing the base currency of an existing account. In that case, the usual path is to withdraw your funds, open a brand new ZAR account, and then deposit again. Ask about fees, processing times, and the exchange rate your broker applies, and whether an internal transfer between accounts is available to reduce costs. If your goal is simply to trade the US dollar against the South African Rand, you can add the USD symbol and trade that pair directly, regardless of your account currency. In MT5, open Market Watch, right-click and choose Symbols, or press Ctrl+U. Search for USD, click Show if it's hidden, then close the window and open a chart. Place orders as usual on that chart. Keep in mind, even though you're trading the Rand, your account balance and P&L will still be shown in your base currency. Quote names can vary by broker, so look for any suffixes if you don't see USD at first. That's it. Choose the approach that best fits your workflow and fees.